Today we're going to be making some farmhouse spring bunnies. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, check out some of my previous videos, and let me know in the comments below what you think. Don't forget, I always try to list what I've used in the description box below. Okay, here we go guys! Hi guys, and welcome to my channel where we do DIY projects, crafts, and some organization, but all on a budget. Come check out today's video. I love it when this nautical rope hits the Dollar Tree. We're going to go ahead and use it today to make some spring Easter bunnies. While I work, I always enjoy to have something to drink. Today I chose a Caribou coffee. Caribou coffee is really awesome because you can personalize it. You can have milk chocolate, dark chocolate, or white chocolate. And this isn't sponsored at all, but it is one of my favorite drinks. We're going to make a couple different kind of rope bunnies. So you might want to grab a couple of these just so you have enough on hand. It says that there's 13 feet. That's never enough for me. Alright, today's project's going to be really simple. We're going to start with one of the ends of the rope, and I'm just going to basically be hot gluing and coiling it together. So I'm going to put a little hot glue and get the coil started, then I'm just going to continue coiling it. So to start the coil, I just went ahead and put a little hot glue there. I'm going to dip in the middle, and then I'm just going to wrap so that I hit that hot glue. And I'm going to hold it for just a little bit so it can cure. Then we'll continue. If you lay it down flat on a surface, a lot of times it'll help so that your coil stays flatter and you don't get that bow in it, like where it curves in or out. That was my dog, sorry. So the nautical rope is not easy to cut through. I'm going to hold it at the edge of the box and I'm going to try and cut. You kind of have to either have really super sharp scissors or kind of nod just a little bit. So then I'm going to take and I'm going to put a little extra hot glue here at the very edge, and I'm going to hold that down so it stays. You can do the bunny's head whatever size you want. The entire project that I do is going to be just under one full rope of the nautical rope. While that's drying, I'm going to put a little hot glue here at the very end so that it can hopefully not fray. Alright. For the ears, I just went ahead and I took a piece of the rope and I looped it to where I thought I would like the ear, and then I doubled it. So I'm going to hold this in half, pull it in half, and cut. Voila! See how it sticks up just a little bit? I'm going to put that off-centered a little, and that's going to be where one ear is, and then we'll put the other ear on the other side. Sometimes I'll even blow on the hot glue to get it to dry faster. And here's the face for our very first bunny. I feel like you can leave it just like this and use it as a hot pad or tie it into your farmhouse decor, but today we're going to accessorize it. So I had gotten a pack of the colorful buttons at Dollar Tree, and I chose these blue buttons to use as the eyes. Then I went through and I found 3 small pink buttons that I decided I was going to use for the nose. I played around a little bit to find out where I liked them best on the face, and this is what I settled with. So then I just took some hot glue and I attached them in place. So here's a look at the final project. I hope you guys enjoyed and give it a try. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Next week we'll make another spring bunny. Can't wait to see you guys next time. Bye bye!